This is a very important exhibition. People are coming from all over the world to know more about us.
This is a hub point for each seller and buyer. Everybody comes here as a platform to meet and to understand their new developments.
We've been to this event 3 times now. This is our 3rd time. And from our first event, I found 3 partners in the GCC region. And now, since it's the 3rd one, we have 7 partners.
It's one of the greatest shows for us to connect with existing customers, as well as create new opportunities and meet new distributors where we don't have representation in countries already represented.